Hi everybody, this is Tom Willard, and in this video lesson I'm going to be talking about support and resistance of the QQQ. And the QQQ is an ETF that is representative of the NASDAQ, and I use this as a gauge for the market in general. As I do trade a lot of NASDAQ stocks, I trade about an equal amount of New York stocks, and for that one I watch either the SPY or the SSO. But right now I want to talk about the QQQ, and I think it's valid to talk to you guys about this and kind of give you an idea of the market as it stands now. And of course, this will be applicable to future as we find in technical analysis that fear and greed and the human psychology create patterns in the markets, and that's why technical traders can take advantage of the repeated psychology that humans have, specifically around the fear and greed aspects. Before we get started, please read this trading and investing disclaimer. If you need to pause the video, feel free to do so. Okay, here is a daily chart of the QQQ. Now you'll see here on my slide that I've marked off the resistance area here and the support area. And really all this is, the resistance really is a point where the price cannot go higher at this current time. And so what does that mean? Well, that means simply that there aren't enough buyers to drive the price past the number of people that want to sell the particular issue in that area. And so what happens is eventually the buyers may go away, or the sellers may increase in number, and it drives the price down. Really all price movement is just an imbalance of supply and demand, buyers and sellers. That's all it is. So you see the QQQs came up to this area, tested it, and then came all the way down to this area, and of course when it got down here, it's a support area. And what that is simply is that there are more buyers than sellers, and the price couldn't go lower. So it comes back up and retests this resistance area, okay? And it comes right back down and retests the support area. And then now we've had a week here where we've ripped higher and come up to near this resistance area. So a lot of traders, what they'll do is they'll just play support and resistance. That is, when an issue gets down to a support area, they'll buy some. Okay, and they'll look for a target of the previous resistance area. So, people that may have bought in this area are now sitting pretty profitable and looking for a move up to here, the $59 a share area. Okay, those that sold in here or shorted were looking for a move down to the $54 area, and they got it. Okay, so buyers here in this 54 area were able to reap the benefits, and now let's see if we can actually get back up. Now remember, this is not a guarantee we will get back up. We could turn right around and go lower, or we could go right back up and go higher. Okay, anything can happen in the market, but the concepts behind support and resistance are powerful, and there's another way to trade the markets so that you can be in the game consistently and having a plan. And there's a lot more to it. There's a lot of details around stops and where you place your stops on support areas, and that's stuff I work with my students exclusively on, but it's too much for this short video. I want to show you the weekly chart just so you can get an idea. Here's the weekly chart, and this boxed area is that same area on the daily chart, and you'll see the support and resistance area. So you'll see that the market here in 2010 had a pretty significant move down and then a significant move up, and then now we're doing the same type of a sideways consolidation. Let's see if we can actually go higher or lower. Obviously, for the economy's sake and world's sake, we hope we go higher, but we'll see what happens. And as a dynamic individual trader, you should be able to short and go long all you need to in a market. Make sure you have the flexibility to go long and go short regardless of what transpires in the market. You can make money on a daily basis and a consistent basis. Thank you for watching this video, and make sure to visit my site to sign up for other free trading tips and programs, and I will talk to you in my next video.